how to add an alternate calendar, Korean, Chinese, Vietnamese Lunar, Hijri, or Shamsi on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Then on the home screen, swipe up to go into the app screen. In here, tap on the calendar app. Then tap on the more button. Next, tap on the settings icon. And then we go down and tap on alternate calendar. In here, you could choose Korean calendar. You can choose Chinese calendar. Or you can select Vietnamese Lunar, Hijri, or Shamsi. So select one of the options. So here, if I select Chinese Lunar, if I tap on the back key, you can see that below the actual day, there is also another date down there. That is the Chinese or the alternate calendar. So here, if I go back up and select Vietnamese Lunar, and I go back to my calendar, that's what it looks like. For Hijri, this is what it looks like for Hijri calendar, the alternate calendar. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.